Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class first year unit number 4 sequence and series. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 4.1, question number 5. Find the Pascal sequence for part number 1 n is equal to 5, part number 2 n is equal to 6, part number 3 is equal to n is equal to 9 by using its general recursive definition, that is solution number 1 for n is equal to 5. We know that Pascal sequence, that is p naught is equal to 1, p n plus 1 is equal to 5 minus n divided by n plus 1 p n. So that is n is equal to 5, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, for n is equal to 0, so first term, that is p1 is equal to 5 minus 0 divided by 0 plus 1 p naught. So 5 divided by 1 p naught value is equal to 1. So 5 one time, which is equal to 5. Next, for n is equal to 1, so p2 is equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 p1, which is equal to 4 divided by 2 p1. Value of p1 is equal to 5. So 5 4 times 20 divided by 2 10 times 20. P2 is equal to 10. Next, for n is equal to 2. So P3 is equal to 5 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1 P2, which is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Multiply 10. 10 3s are 30 divided by 3. So 3 10s are 30. Next, for n is equal to 3. 4 term, that is P4 is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1 P3, which is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Multiply value of P3 is equal to 10. So 2 1 time 2, 2 10 time 20 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. Value of P4 is equal to 5. Next, for n is equal to 4. So P5 is equal to 5 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 1 P4, which is equal to 1 divide 5 multiply 5, which is equal to 5 1s are 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So P5 is equal to 1. Next, solution number 2 for n is equal to 6. We know that Pascal sequence p naught is equal to 1, p n plus 1 is equal to 6 minus n divided by n plus 1 p n, where n is equal to 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. First term, for n is equal to 0, so p1 is equal to 6 minus 0 divided by 0 plus 6 p naught, which is equal to 6 divide 1. Value of p naught is equal to 1. So 5 1s are 5, which is equal to 5. That is equal to 6 1s are 6. 6 divided by 1 multiply 1 is equal to 6. Next, for n is equal to 1. So P2 is equal to 6 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. P1 is equal to 5 divided by 2 multiply 6. 5 6 are 30. 30 divided by 2. So 2 15s are 30. P2 is equal to 15. Next, for n is equal to 2. So P3 is equal to 6 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. P2 is equal to 4 divided by 3 multiply 15. Value of P2 is equal to 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 4s are 20. So P3 is equal to 20. Next, for n is equal to 3. for n is equal to 3, so P4 is equal to 6 minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1, P3 is equal to 3 divided by 4 multiply 20, so which is equal to 3 20s are 60 divided by 4, 4 15s are 60. So next for n is equal to 4, P5 is equal to 6 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 1, P4 which is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 divide 5 multiply 15. So 15 2s are 30 divided by 5, 5 6s are 30. So P5 is equal to 6. Next for n is equal to 5. P6 is equal to 6 minus 5 divided by 5 plus 1, P5 which is equal to 1 divide 6 multiply value of P5 is equal to 6, so 6 cancel, 1 1s are 1 which is equal to 1, P6 is equal to 1. Next n is equal to 9. We know that n is equal to 9. We know that Pascal sequence, that is P naught is equal to 1, P n plus 1 is equal to 9 minus n divided by 9 n plus 1 P n, where n is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next for n is equal to 0, so P1 is equal to 9 divided by 1, P naught is equal to 9 divide 1 multiply 1 which is equal to 9. Next for n is equal to 1, so P2 is equal to 9 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 P1. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 divided by 2 multiply n, so which is equal to 2 4s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So P2 is equal to 36. Next for n is equal to 2. So P3 is equal to 9 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1, P2 which is equal to 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 divided by 3 multiply 36. 7 multiply 36 is equal to 252 divided by 3. So 384s are 50, 256. Next for n is equal to 3. So P4 is equal to 9 minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1, P3 which is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 divided by 4 multiply P3 is equal to 84. So 6 multiply 84 is equal to 504 divided by 4, 504, 126 are 504. So P4 is equal to 126. Next for n is equal to 4. So P5 is equal to 9 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 1. P4 is equal to 5 divided. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.